doing a transit flight here, so I think we're gonna have to sit and wait for like 3 hours before we get on a flight to Bali. Those are just too cute. Just look at them. They have little hats. I really like the, nature and stuff. I think it's really incorporated well in this airport. So nice. Good morning from Bali. Because I wear a short dress, I'm in a Balinese skirt today. It's a sarong. We're trying out Indonesian food. I think this is their traditional dish here. So this is one of the icon. I think the one of the most popular monument in Indonesia, especially Bali. And we're by the lake. Okay, there's so many people I have to move. It's quite cold because it's like raining and the wind, you can tell. But I think it's very nice in general because it's clean, the place, and it's very relaxing. I bought this corn. It just looks so good. So we're just walking to this, I think it's a cliff right there. And on the side there are clothes shops, like just knickknacks, and ooh, I see it. So we just hiked up, I think, like 15 minutes to get to this place, and now just walking around to see stuff.